Video, I'm going to look at density, mass, and volume. But before that, let's know what density, mass, and volume is. Therefore, mass is the quantity of matter in a substance. Mass is the quantity of matter in a substance. And volume of an object is a measure of the amount of space occupied by that object. The amount of space that object occupies is what we call volume. Okay, so density is the mass per unit volume of a substance or an object. So it's simply the ratio of mass to volume, that's density. Let's have an example. We see how we can calculate or solve problems involving density. So I have an example here which says calculate the density of the following object of mass 100 kg. So the object is here. So we need to calculate the density of this object. But before that, let's look at what we have been given so that we calculate its density. So we are going to say data. So let's see what we have been given. Do we have mass in here? Yes, we have. The mass is there. So our mass is 100 kg. Our mass is 100 kg. Okay, so let's also look at volume. Do we have volume in this figure? Yes, we can find its volume by multiplying its length, width, and height. So when we multiply these three, we are going to find its volume. So let's multiply these three so that we find its volume. So volume, when you multiply 10 by 4 by 2, what are we going to get? We're going to get 80. So our volume is 80 cubic centimeter. So we have 80 cubic centimeter. That's our volume. But what's our density? What's our density? So in this case, the density is what we're looking for. Okay, so let's derive the formula for density. So having found that, let's now calculate density. Now density is equals to mass over volume. Okay, going back, our mass is 100 kg and our volume is 80 cubic centimeter. Okay, so let's find our density. So our density will be equals to mass over volume, which is equals to 100 kg over 80. And when you calculate this, the answer that you're going to find is that 100 divided by 80. So our density in this case will be equals to 1.25 kg per cubic centimeter. So that's the density of that object. Thank you very much for watching.